Hi, my name is Jason Szymanski, and I'm the CEO of Overkill Computers, and I'm right here where we build all of our high-end custom liquid-cooled PCs. We're going to show you how Glowforge adds not just fiscal value to our business, but a whole bunch of creative value. So let's show you the real-world scenario on how we use our Glowforge. One of the fun things that we could do is we can actually add custom laser engravings to things like the side panel. Now that we have our panel in there, it's all locked and loaded, we loaded the image up to the web browser, and it's ready to go. So that's pretty much it.
It's really an excellent way to bring extra value to a great product and get creative and make something unique.
We love using our Glowforge. It really brings our personalization to our computers to the next level, but there's so many things you can do with this thing. Really, the sky's the limit with your creativity, and we love using our Glowforge. We're going to continue to use it and personalize so many different things. We can't wait to see what we can do with it next.